In this video, I'll be taking an in-depth look at Seiko's recent collaboration with the famous One Piece anime. In the collection are 5 unique Seiko 5 watches, all based off the main characters of the series. First up, I'm unboxing the watch based off the main character of Luffy. The box has a matte feel and already it feels premium. The watch, which is a regular Seiko 5 with the standard 4R36 movement, has a striking red and black colorway. The watch face is designed with a pattern that resembles the steam that appears when Luffy unleashes gear. And on the bezel, the hour markers gradually increase in size in the clockwise direction, which expresses Luffy's strength as he moves up the gears. The case backs on all 5 of these special editions are tinted in different colors, which is a first in the Seiko 5 lineup. The silicone strap also has some steam decals, which afford a great look. Moving on to Sabo's watch, which has a fantastic blue and black color scheme. The dial is decorated with a flare pattern that resembles the flames that arise when Sabo unleashes his Flame Fist signature move. One thing worth mentioning is the silicone strap used for these collaborations seems to be thicker than the regular Seiko 5 strap and has a soft but firm feel to it. On the wrist, these are all super comfortable and a treat to look at. Seiko have styled all 5 of these watches really well. They're all unique and represent the characters accurately. The bezel on Sabo's watch is super shiny and reflects the light beautifully. The next watch will be the watch of Zorro, which personally is my favorite watch of the whole bunch. With a shiny black bezel and a two-tone green dial, this watch is a stunner. Even if you weren't familiar with the anime series, you could appreciate this one. The dial houses a pattern that looks like a sword has slashed through it, and this pattern actually extends to both sides of the silicone strap. Zorro, of course, bears the legendary 3 swords, and this is shown through the design of this watch. This design will be awesome to pair it with some other green colored clothing and is a great pop of color. The dial has a shimmering quality to it, which changes depending on the lighting conditions and viewing angle. Next up is Sanji's watch. This one comes with a grey and yellow design with footprints across the dial and strap. These footprints resemble Sanji's ongoing quest to find the all blue sea. The case back, like all other watches in this collaboration, is tinted. Overall, the design of this one is consistent. It almost has an army camo feel to it. The case has a matte finish and feels really nice on the wrist. As standard Seiko 5s, these come with 41 hours of power reserve and 100 meters of water resistance. They weigh 103 grams and the case diameter is 42.5 millimeters. The final watch in the series is Law's watch. I really like the color scheme on this one. The creamy white dial matched with the toffee bezel insert and the outer black bezel work well together and is a bit of a statement piece. The pattern on the dial is reminiscent of the pattern found on Law's hat, and the case back is tinted orange. This one will work great with a monochrome outfit, with the toffee colored insert working as a small pop of color. The Seiko 5 One Piece collaboration watches are limited editions, with 5,000 of each watch being made. If you or someone you know are big fans of the One Piece franchise and enjoy a nice watch, share this video with them and let them know we have great deals on all 5 of them. Make sure you get in quick to order online at watchdepot.com.au because they won't last for very long.